Construction of a 360-degree angle. In this video, we will learn how to construct an angle of 360 degrees with a compass. First, we need to draw a line segment. To do so, take a ruler and draw a line segment. Label the endpoints as A and B. After this, adjust the compass to a suitable length. And using this point A as a center, draw a circle as shown. Next, without changing the length of the compass and using this point as a center, cut the arcs as shown. The angle made by these intersection points with the center point A will be 60 degrees. The angle from here to here will be 60 degrees. If we further increase up to here, it will be 120 degrees, then 180 degrees, then 240 degrees, then 300 degrees, and at the end, 360 degrees. You can cross-check by using a protractor. We can see that the angle from here to here is 180 degrees, plus this 180-degree angle, which will be equal to 360 degrees. Therefore, the total angle is equal to 360 degrees. I hope this video helped you understand how to make a 360-degree angle. If you like this video, please click the like button and share it with others. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and turn on notifications to see my new videos.